Hello, welcome to a new week, dear New Time for Africa students. This week was wonderful. Right now, actually, as you're watching this video, I'm not in Ukraine. I should be in Africa. I should be in Nigeria. I should be in Lagos, or I forgot the name of the city. There is a big conference that is going on, and I'm pretty sure, if you are subscribed to our channel, next week or this week, you will see some videos, new videos from the conference, and you are more than welcome to share these videos with all of your Africans, friends. We are launching New Time for Africa. We are launching new future for the Africa. So stay with us, stay subscribed with our channel, and please, I ask you, do not be greedy. Do not take everything for yourself. Do not take everything just for your life. Share with as many people as possible, and New Time for Africa will come to new cities, new countries, and new territories. All right, so today our lesson is solving the society problems. If you remember last lesson, I shared with you how we can bring people to faith, but bringing one or two or three or even 10 people to faith, it's good for their lives. And in a meanwhile future, of course, it should be spread and it should change their lives or the environment of their lives. But we are not talking about single lives. We are talking about how to solve the problem within the society, because we have problem within the society. That's why actually we launched our project. So we are coming to a very good part of our project. We are going to talk how we deal with the society and society problems. So let me show you, for example, this circle, it represents the society, and each segment, it's the sector of your influence. As you know from our previous lessons, we have many different sectors of life, of society problems. For example, one sector could be women's problems, or another one could be marriage problems, or another one could be, for example, disabled people problems, or another could be military. Another could be financial sector. Another could be health issues, or things like these. We have many different sectors of our influence, and this sector, that's the sector of your influence. I don't know what is your calling. I don't know what's the name of your project. I don't know what do you do within your project, but I know that if you continue to do once the sector of the society, the segment of the society which is touched by your project, is going to be transformed and it's going to be changed. And that's how New Time for Africa actually is taking place. In the book of Daniel, in the Bible, in the book of Daniel, we know, probably you read already the story about the giant that was destroyed by a small stone, that hit the giant, on its feet. So this story gives me the understanding, it gave me the understanding that if you start even within the small thing, within maybe, with 2 or 3, 5 people, if you start, but you change their lives and you change the life values of their lives, once, if you start with, the first cycle of your project, this first cycle, even if it's only 5 people, next lesson I'm going to show you how you can multiply students within your project, and it happens automatically. We have system behind it. So I challenge you to listen this video very carefully, and the next lesson to get ready, because I'm going to shock you, I'm going to launch, and I'm going to share with you the system, how you can multiply the students in your project, geometrically, how you can, multiply, numbers, huge numbers within your project. So the first stage, if it changes 5 people, the next stage could change lives of 20 people. The third stage could change the life of 60 people already. The fourth stage could change the lives of maybe more than 100 people. And then each of these stages, it will be multiplied. You see, when it will be multiplied, if you will do it sequentially, if you will do it systematically, sooner or later, the small stone that hit the legs of the giant will grow, and it will grow until it will fill with itself the whole sector of your influence. So in other words, sooner or later, if you will sequentially, if you will systematically do or be responsible within the sector of your influence, and doing your project, sooner or later you will find out the project that you do and the life values that you teach people within your project, it will fill the whole sector. And can you imagine if we'll have projects like these within each sector? our society will be changed. So that's how we change our society. But on following lessons, we will talk, I will show you the algorithm also, how you can do it. Because right now, I only gave you the vision, how it will happen. But we have to work, dear students, we have to work on the issue how to do it. And I'm going to share now following lessons. I'll show you the algorithm, how you can do it, how you can multiply and how you increase the influence of your project, to the whole nation. So stay with us, stay with the New Time for Africa. And, please, I ask you at this point, I'm pretty sure you become more and more serious within the project. Every single day, start to watch over from our very first lesson, because I'm pretty sure, until now, you already forgot some of the things. Do not rely on yourself. Do not rely on your memory. You have to live. You have to work out. You have to do your project already. And, we will be more than happy. Send us to the email that you will see, below this video. Send us your feedback, send us your stories, send us the progress that you have. We already got many testimonies, and some of these we're going to share in our new videos, in our new cycles, in our new lessons. So please send us your testimonies, what is happening with you and with your project, because of New Time for Africa. So share this video, share it with your friends, and I bless you in the name of Jesus, and may God be with you.